We decided to build a fish tank from a washing machine. Come along for the journey. First, we cut out the casings. The nibbler was a bit more violent than we expected, but we were happy with the result. Time to add a soft base to protect the glass. Fits like a glove. Glass fit. Time for a wet test. While we wait for it to leak, let's do the stand. It works. Let's spice this stand up with a lick of color. And just like that, we're done here. Enjoy the tank. A like and subscribe on the video would be greatly appreciated. A year on and the fish are still loving life.